Okay, in this video we're going to discuss an FS250R, a FS90R. We're going to talk about the control head, the cutting head. You can see right there I moved one from the 250R to the 90R because my neighbor had one that broke. And the point of this video is to show you two things, actually three. First, if you break an eyelet, off the unit, you can get replacements. That went flying off. That's the original. Okay, and you can get them on Amazon. They're 10 pieces that come in this. I have one already installed. It wasn't difficult. You just simply put it on, and I used a ratchet to hammer it into place. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing I want to make sure you see, this is an FS250R we're talking about, Stihl, and the other one is a FS90R. Alright, so be that as it may, that's the little adapter pieces, the eyelets. The other control head I got, and I wanted to make sure it was good, I have ordered another one. They were 16 bucks a piece. These are 16 bucks. This was 8 bucks and then tax. Alright, it basically spins onto place. What I'd like to show you is how this comes off. Okay, you can do it all with one hand, but I want to make sure you understand that it's a left-handed bolt. You basically get a metal pin. This is an Allen wrench that fits in there, and to spin it off, okay, you go this direction here. Alright, if you notice, that's actually backwards. If you come around here and you were going to tighten it, you'd rotate it this way in your conventional kind of left-hand threads. So in order to tighten it, you go as that you would be opening a water faucet or loosening the nut. All right, and I just wanted to do that so you could see. So that's pretty much the end of the video. If you lose an eyelet, you can replace it. It's 8 bucks, so that's what, $1 a piece, roughly, a little less than $1 a piece. And I'll have them. They're going to go in the toolbox, and then of course you can use these, and this one here is going to be a backup for my neighbor who lives obviously next door. Thanks for watching.